Let me show you how to fold jeans. First we'll take it in two halves. Then you have to fold it. You have to leave some space. Now when you take this fold, make sure you use your hand and make it crisp. And this, there's a small technique. This is the half section. You have to open the inner part. Take this here, put this here, take the inner side. All you have to squeeze in the side inside this, and here you go. That's how you can stack this way. The others, if you have a wider jeans, wherein the jeans are wider, what you can do is take this portion, fold a bit, put it in half or maybe slightly more than half. Make sure which size you want, bigger or small. Accordingly you can adjust. Take this here, open the inside portion, not the here portion. Take the inside portion and you just have to squeeze this in and pull it out. So this is packed. That's how you can wrap. Pack it in such a way with this closing, it is easier for you to keep it stacked and it does not fall even in the drawers. So you can easily remove one and this does not